don't want peace.
Man!
Abi.
You are a bad boy.
Criminal.
You are a bad boy.
You don't know why it's going on.
You like what you see?
Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Yeah, we want to sell this product.
What's it inside?
Rice. Rice is inside.
Rice.
Yeah.
I want to buy some rice.
Yeah, then money.
How much is it?
$1,000.
Okay, $1,000. I will pay you by gift card.
Gift card.
Yes.
No, give us dollar. We don't know where we go trade the gift card.
Oh, it's not a problem. Just trade with Android gift card. Download Android gift card app on Apple Store, Play Store. Their prices are highest in Nigeria. They're fast and reliable.
Enjoy gift card.
Yes, feel free to choose.
No problem. Send us by gift card.
Okay, I will send you.
Yeah. Have you sent it?
Yes, send.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
You are
Bye
a
bye.
bad boy.
What's that you smell?
Where did you get it from?
Those two guys who just sold this to me, they went there, they entered there.
Yeah.
This side. Yes. This side.
Okay, thank you.
You were not informed, eh?